loves, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you that have recently joined, thank you so much for becoming a part of the Genelizq family. I'm so happy to have you. So today I have a Dollar Tree farmhouse patriotic DIY video with 5 DIY projects. Before we begin this video, make sure to like, share this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of our videos. So if you want to see how I created all of this, then just keep on watching. For our first DIY, we're going to be making this a star garland made out of popsicle sticks. To begin, you are going to need 15 of these popsicle sticks, some paint, so I'm using white, red, and blue. I got these from Walmart. Paintbrushes, a glue gun, and some twine. We're going to begin with 5 popsicle sticks, and you can use wood glue. I just wanted to use the hot glue. And now that I have all my stars made, now we can begin to paint. I only painted the front of the stars, but if you want to paint the back, you can. I just figured you're not really going to see it, so I just left it like that. Now that we're done with the painting, we can now add the twine in the back, and here I'm just making a small loop. And then I glued it to the back of the red star, and once I was done there, I decided to add a little bit more of the hot glue so that way it was more secure. You don't want to have the string continue through the middle, so that's why you see me cutting it like in pieces. And then I'm adding the white star, and then the blue one is going to be the last one. Our next DIY is this wood palette star sign. You're going to need one of these wood palettes, a cookie sheet, some red and white paint. So to begin, you're going to remove the sticker behind it. And here I'm going in with the red paint. So you're just going to do 2 stripes of red and then 2 stripes of white. Now, if you wanted to, you could also do red and blue, but I just wanted to do the red and white. Next, we're going to be using the cookie sheet to create the star, and I am using a felt shape from one of the garlands in my previous video, and here is a plastic tool that I'm scoring the star from the Dollar Tree. And when you're cutting this star, please be very, very careful because you can cut yourself. Also be very careful when gluing the star because the cookie sheet got really hot and I almost burnt myself. Once you're done with the gluing, you can leave it like this, but I decided to go back with the twine and create like a small bow to give it a more farmhouse look. And you can also take some of the twine and add it to the back if you want to hang the sign. Our next DIY is this cute striped photo frame. The picture is a picture that already came with the frame. I need to add a picture of the girls. So you're going to need just the frame and some paint. So we're going to start off with removing the packaging. And guys, you would think I've made so many trips to the Dollar Tree that I would have a ruler by now. But no, I'm using this stencil that we're going to need for another DIY. So you're just going to create some wide stripes. And we are going to begin with the white. I was going to add wording with the stencil on the frame, but I decided to just leave it because this frame, if I wanted to, I could use it for Valentine's Day. Or I could use it for Christmas. But I mean, if you wanted to add stars or something more patriotic, then you can. And I'm just going to go in with some Mod Podge just to protect the frame. And here you're going to see a cute little hand in Miss Genesis. She was standing next to me when I was doing this. Our next DIY is this Land of the Free sign using a Dollar Tree canvas. I thought I was filming it when I was painting the canvas in blue, but apparently I didn't. And if you wanted to give it another coat of the blue paint, then you can. I just left mine like that because I didn't want it to be perfect. I'm using a stencil from the Dollar Tree, and the brush is from there as well. I then had to go back with some of the blue paint because I ended up coming off of the stencil, but that was a quick fix. And also I connected the letters a little bit more just to give it a more cleaned up look. Now once you've let the paint dry, I then went in with the twine and I wrapped it around the canvas 4 times, and in the back I tied it in a knot. Now Dollar Tree has these foam glitter stars in an assortment of sizes. So I ended up grabbing the smallest ones that they had. So you're going to need 2 red and 2 white, and you're just going to hot glue them going down the middle. Next DIY is this little birdhouse. And all you're gonna do is just remove the tag from the bottom. I'm using this blue paint to cover the base of the birdhouse, and then I painted the roof red, and then I went in with the white and I did the bottom of the birdhouse and also the edges of it. I then went in with the Mod Podge and I applied it all over the birdhouse just to protect the paint. If you wanted to add stripes or stars or add star stickers, then by all means you could. I just didn't have any around. I just wanted to just keep it very simple. But that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Snapchat. And until next time, guys, bye. Mwah!